Thanks for clicking on the video. Today we'll be hanging out at the Hoover Dam Railroad Tunnels Trail. Before I got started on the trail, I had to go over and take a picture of this coyote that was wandering through the parking lot and then went and laid over here in these bushes. They built the railway in 1931, and it took 5 months to build the tunnels through the side of the mountain, which seems amazing to me that it only took 5 months. Each tunnel is 300 foot in length and 25 feet in diameter. By 1931, the train railway was in full swing, so it was running 24 hours a day and continued until 1935. Parts of it were still in use until 1961, when they scrapped it, the whole railroad in 1962, and it fell in disrepair.
Careful! Careful!
The part we're walking on now is actually part of the old rail bed. It's nice and flat, easy accessible. As you saw, there's people on bicycles. It's nice and wide. Even people in wheelchairs could probably come check out this trail. The trail was built in the 1980s due to its historical importance. By 1984, it was part of the National Registry of Historical Sites. Because it was the only part left of the old construction, due to everything else being either fallen apart or torn down or underwater, because a lot of it is under the Lake Mead now. The train actually ran all the way from Vegas through Boulder City into this area, which seems amazing to me because they were saying back then Vegas only had like 5,000 people in it at the time that they were building the dam. Seems unbelievable to me. We did catch a glimpse of a few of the bighorns up on the hill. It was pretty cool. Not easy to see them, but they were there. Think that these people lived down in the where Lake Mead is now. There was just a Colorado River running through them. They lived in a place that I guess they dubbed it Ragtown. And it got up to it was freezing in the wintertime and 120 degrees Fahrenheit in the summertime. Again, just amazing that these people that built that all this so quickly in such harsh conditions. It's amazing what people can do. This one's Tunnel 5. You'll see it looks a little different than the rest of it. I guess back in 1978 they had a fire in this tunnel and they're sealing it off. And then they came in, did all this shotcrete in there to keep it from falling down on itself, and reopened everything, I guess, in 2001, or opened Tunnel 5 back in 2001. But they're all open now. You can go all the way up to the dam and up on the dam if you feeling like walking. I think round trip from the parking lot to the dam and back is about 8 miles. On the way back, I took a little detour so we could see the lake. There's a cool little point up here that was fun to take pictures of, but it had a great view of the valley down to the lake. If you're ever in the area, I strongly encourage you to come check it out. It's a beautiful place, some beautiful views. And as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.